right.
Hello guys, today this is
Sister cousin lifestyle.
and today we're gonna make cupcakes.
So we have some Baker's Corner yellow classic cake mix that I got from Aldi. And then we have some cream cheese frosting, also from Aldi.
And also my spatula.
And Reagan is equipped with her little, was this Peppa Pig? Who is this?
It's just a pig.
It's just a pig, so that's her spatula. And then we have these cupcake holders that are actually by Ray Dunn. I picked these up at Home Goods. They say Happy Holidays, so we're gonna use those. And Reagan, this is the pot that we're using. How many cupcakes can we get in there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Okay,
7.
no, just 6.
Yeah.
So we have 6 in here. So we're gonna go ahead and get started.
Yeah.
Have you made cupcakes before?
Yes.
Yeah, so you don't need any help, basically. You know what to do?
Yeah, we even put something inside like the sprinkles.
Oh, okay. Well, we'll see if we have some sprinkles, but let's go ahead and get started.
Add a cup of water and add some eggs and add oil.
Yeah, very good. So that's all we need is some water, a cup of water, a third a cup of vegetable oil, and we need 3 eggs. That's what it tells us right there. Oops.
There you go. Mix. They got a shelf in there.
Let's hope not.
They got a shelf in there.
Nope. What'd you say?
It looks so yummy, but we can't eat it.
No, we can't eat it yet because it's not ready yet. It'll make us sick if we start eating now. Just get all the lumps out. You can't have any lumps in the cake or it'll be a bumpy cake. Okay, I think we need to go ahead and put the oil in. So we need a third a cup of oil. Can you go ahead and put it in? Good job. Keep stirring. And so there we are in the midst of building a new bond and new memories at Christmas. I hope that Reagan will grow up remembering baking in the kitchen with her grandmother. Do you have fond memories or traditions that you do with your little ones and your family? I'd love to hear your ideas of what you do because I'm looking for new ideas myself. Drop down in the comments, let me know. We had so much fun in the kitchen this day. It was just interesting to have dialogue with her and to just kind of see what's on her mind.
What's happening?
Yep, the tree. Hey Reagan, you want to tell them about your elf there, what he did?
Yeah. So the elf just put a bag of Cheetos and I don't see them. Take them away.
So the elf has Cheetos and he's on the refrigerator upside down grasping this bag of Cheetos. This is what our naughty elf did today. Reagan, what do you think about this elf?
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay. Be sure to stay to the end and see some of our ideas that we've been doing with the elf on the shelf. It's been so much fun doing this with her.
Up on the housetop, reindeer paws, out jumps good old Santa Claus.
All right, here comes Cole joining in on the action. Of course, he's too young to join in on baking the cupcakes, but he was there watching the experience. So I allow her to do her own thing with decorating the cupcakes. I must say though, this cake mix was not very good. I hauled this in my last Aldi's haul. It was pretty dry, so I definitely would not repurpose it, but she absolutely loved the experience of baking the cupcakes and doing it herself and putting her own icing on. And boy approved of everything, so he was right there. So that was our first experience baking together for the Christmas holiday, and I just hope that it's the first of many years to come. I think for her they were the best cupcakes in the world and that's what counted. And now for the elf on the shelf shenanigans. Gosh.
He needs to pray. He needs to be that president.
He needs to be the president?
Uh-huh.
Why?
Because.
Because what?
Because.
The president doesn't climb up on the stuff like that. And look at all those peppermints.
Why they're gone?
Look at that mess.
Yeah.
He didn't ruin them.
No, it's just okay.
Yeah, it's okay.
Here, these are candy canes.
Okay, we'll put them back. Well, let's wait and let Mommy and Daddy see what happened. You want to leave them here so Mommy and Daddy can see what happened?
Uh-huh, I'll leave these here.
Okay. Isn't that something? Oh, he's holding one.
Yeah. Let's get that down.
Not yet.
So, 2 more.
Did you sleep well last night?
Yeah. I had a dream about that elf.
You did? What did you dream?
About the elf holding these candy
You had a dream about him holding the candy canes?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. That's something.
I'll eat one out there in the morning.
Okay. All right. All right. G-Ma's going back to bed now.
So he shouldn't be not doing that.
He should not be doing that. Why is he up there? Do you think he was trying to heat up some food or something?
Yeah, to eat or something.
What is it, Reagan?
Right there. He's gonna break that.
He's gonna break it?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Oh, he's under the napkin.
What is he trying to
Wow.
I don't know. He likes that.
But look, that's G-Ma's napkin from my plate.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
do? How do you see him, Reagan?
I was sleeping and then I came outstairs and did this on and I said, look.
Oh man. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, he has a bag of Cheetos. And look, he spilled all these Cheetos.
Where?
Right there, all those chips, he put those, and look, there's a bag on the floor.
Oh my gosh.
What do you think we should do?
Clean this mess up.
Clean this mess up. I agree. Let's clean this mess up. That naughty elf. Once again, he made a mess. He even has the child-proof for the cabinets out. Oh my goodness. And so every morning she rushes downstairs to see what the naughty elf would have gotten into the previous night. That's like the first thing she does, and she's downstairs at the crack of dawn. And after we get the elf, we put him in a timeout on the shelf until the next night. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please be sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the post notification bell so that you're notified each time I upload a video. And I hope to see you on my next video. Bye-bye, and I hope you're enjoying your holidays.